Welcome to Nuer Tube. In today's topic, banaraj ka collective nouns. Banaraj ka shoot ngwane. Ki shoot ngwan ti chalat gwatkel. Ki shoot buni ka thok English kana thok Nuere. Collective noun ken ka shoot ngwan ti chalat gwatkel. Ki shoot ngwane ti jalkel labon banja chutokel. A group of athletes is called team. Wabon nente la ngar ke chet ke kure ke ngar kamo ne de jel ke lan gwata mo badin ba chole di ba je chole team. A group of athletes is called team. Chale team. Ala ngar kure ka ki ngar kamo chale team. A group of friends is called circle. Awa madni tijal kel group of friend madni tijal kel alam man tijal kel to wa chwal ke circle ke English. A group of friend is called circle. A group of ambassadors is called delegation. Ala group of ambassador kanatin kon tin jalkel tin cha jako bugo rajulat widodien chalka ke delegation. A group of ambassadors is called delegation. Ala bon mijalkel momalat widodien ki gwado kana latena ki changa jare widbo chalka ke delegation katok English. A group of experts is called panel. Expert ni kanina kona ngai kangwane. A group of experts is called panel. Chalga ke panel. Expert kini de ngai kangwak. Tekel ki bon. La bon michal expert. Teacher en madgwa kel ba chole panel. A group of recruits is called batch. Batch. A group of recruits is called batch. Ala recruits ne Canadian kontin wana gor eken ki mitem gwar ka don wana gor chal ke batch kadoto. A group of recruits is called batch. A group of singers is called core. Awa kedin tijal kel chika ket tin kat kana dit kel ka jaw ka kel shall ka core. A group of singers is called core. Core kanit bon and show the lat gwaskel me kedit kel shall core. Da shit ke ne de kat ke dilwa kot ticket kel shall ka core. A group of musicians is called band. A group of musicians is called band. Awa bon jituere tin la tomne patke ki kat ke dit kel chwalka ke band. Group of musician kine tishore alaka la bon majal kel te kadit kel ki pot ken bul kel chwalka ke band. Mate ke team chore alaka ki bon mchore alaka ka ket kendit kel la kano gwada mo shale band. A group of people is called crowd. Awa bon nene tungwan tichurian lat gwaskel chwalka kedi chwalka ke crowd. A group of people is called crowd. Bon nat jel kel ki bon nene tungwan tijel kel chwalka ke crowd. A group of decisions makers is called committee. Awa bon nente la roje lat ka let tin jong na du yai ne ke joka na no bana wena na chalka ke committee. A group of decision makers is called committee. A group of listeners is called audience. A group of listeners is called audience. Bon nene ti liang ka duor ki ri cha jit ken palping ka liang duor ka chalka ke audience. A group of listener is called audience. Bon nenet liang ka duor chwal ka ke audience. Ki liang tin kon liang ka ngwan chwal ka ke audience. A group of security is called a squad. Ne ite gang ti jel kel ki bon gang ni chwal a squad. A group of actors is called case. Ne ite la movie ni latke ki film ni ki video ni latke ti jel kel ki bon mo chwal a case. A group of sailors is called crew. Wa bon mi jel kel rei baburi ki boni ki tin jel kere yir chwal ka ke crew. A group of sailors is called crew. Neren kon jel ka baburi kere yir chwal ka ke crew ala bona dan en ger namo. A group of dancers is called troupe. A group of dancers is called troupe. Wa bon chung ni mi jel kel ki jit ne di chung ti jel kel chwal ka troupe. Dear Wajach Rorjig Matot Kajan listener, Nwakaniti Kokin, please share it with others and do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Gore and Gojin subscribe ka Nuer Tube ko bi written content nunka ki rwanyan content to ka ngich ka learn English and thok nath beken shamal bekeji ko no kone gwa anu de konten kon tin de kon nang niam ka ngai tok ki ka ta dan de ran de tok de jang ai ke je gwa ka English kana tok nuare dio je mi shi gor na me de jallo kana shang ko gor kono banten kon lat ko din bana ka ngach gor jen wo de yana me de yana gur ni chang Nwa kaneti ko kien ko pagakula lwak. Ano ba nandiyo mo da diyan? Bye bye.